How to use augmented reality and virtual reality technology, a beginner's guide. As technology continues to advance, we are constantly seeing new and innovative ways to enhance our experiences. Two such technologies that have been gaining popularity in recent years are augmented reality and virtual reality. In this video, we will explore what AR and VR are, how they work, and how you can use them. What is augmented reality, AR? Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that overlays digital information onto the real world. This can be achieved through the use of a smartphone or tablet, or through AR glasses. AR allows you to see and interact with the real world, while also seeing and interacting with digital objects. What is virtual reality, VR? Virtual reality, VR, on the other hand, is a technology that completely immerses you in a digital environment. This is typically achieved through the use of a VR headset, which blocks out the real world and replaces it with a virtual one. VR allows you to explore and interact with a completely digital environment. How do AR and VR work? Both AR and VR use similar technologies to achieve their goals. They both rely on sensors, cameras, and processing power to create a seamless experience. AR uses cameras to capture the real world, and then overlays digital objects onto it. VR uses sensors and cameras to track your movements and position, and then uses this information to adjust the digital environment accordingly. How can you use AR and VR? There are a wide variety of ways that AR and VR can be used, from entertainment to education to business. Here are a few examples. 1. Entertainment. AR and VR can be used to create immersive gaming experiences. VR allows you to completely immerse yourself in a game, while AR can be used to bring digital objects into the real world. 2. Education. AR and VR can be used to create interactive educational experiences. For example, AR can be used to bring historical sites to life, while VR can be used to simulate scientific experiments. 3. Business. AR and VR can be used to enhance business operations. For example, AR can be used to create virtual showrooms for products, while VR can be used to train employees in dangerous or complex environments. 4. Healthcare. AR and VR can be used to simulate medical procedures, allowing healthcare professionals to practice in a safe and controlled environment. Conclusion. AR and VR are two exciting technologies that are changing the way we interact with the world. Whether you are looking to enhance your gaming experience, create an interactive educational experience, or improve your business operations, AR and VR have the potential to revolutionize the way we do things. So why not give them a try and see what they can do for you? Thanks for watching.